Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Follow Sketch Friday on Saturday. So this is today's sketch. Oops, that's next week's. This is today's sketch. 2 photos, a nice space for a title, and it is pretty blank as compared to like where you're going to put your mixed media and your embellishments, kind of wherever you want to type thing. So I am working in my Disneyland album. So I am looking for some photos to scrapbook. So I think I'm going to do these 2 right here. This is us on the rocket ship ride, the Astro Orbiter. And here we are. So let's see what I can do. Alright guys, so I have decided to use a couple of things that have been in my stash for a hot second. What feels like a hot second. One is one of the backgrounds that I made with my jelly plate. I'm also using this really awesome glitter cardstock paper. I just love it. The purple makes my soul happy. And I'm sitting here scrapbooking away, so excited that I'm getting these pictures done, and I'm going to have an album finished soon, and I'm feeling great about myself, and I'm thinking about how we did the spinny rocket ride in Tomorrowland, and having so much fun on it, and blah blah blah. I'm thinking about all these things, and then I'm like, you know what, I don't think I'm going to do exactly like the sketch because I want more of this striped paper to show on my layout than what it would call for in the sketch. So I'm going to go a little bit rogue. It's pretty wild when you go rogue on your own sketches, but not too rogue, right? Like I'm just trying to figure out where I want the photos to lay against the striped paper, because I want to see definitely more than what is on the sketch, right? And there's not a whole heck of a lot of more striped paper than what's on the sketch, but I do see it and I do love it and it makes me happy, and that's what matters. So now I'm going to build a little section down here where the title's going to go, and I'm going to use the same exact papers that I used up here at the top of the page for continuity's sake. I could have brought in all different papers, all different colors, if you really want it to bring some poignancy to that corner over there. And then I'm using my little sticker book here. And like this polka dot Mickey is going to be great. I'm going to put these little flags here because the colors coordinate pretty well. And I'm just adding in little bits, and I'm thinking, oh, this little black arrow will be cute, but where am I going to put it? So that goes back into the book. And I'm just flipping through and I'm like, ooh, this is pretty. This is another little layer that I can add in. Very reminiscent of the sketch, because there is another piece of something underneath the photos in the sketch. But, I didn't have that other piece of something. So I'm going to add a tab up at the top and that little humper border sticker right there. And then I'm like, ooh, yay, Tomorrowland stuff. I'm going to put on over the moon. I'm going to put on the planet because, I've got this bit of blank white space here, even though it's not blank, it is the stripy paper. I'm like, yeah, I can decorate with that. And I'm thinking of this, and then I have an epiphany, you guys. I have an epiphany that this is not Tomorrowland. We are not in the Astro Orbiter. We are on Dumbo. Yeah. Completely different ride. One, you're riding in an elephant. The other one, you're riding a rocket ship. You're still circling around and around, but yeah. This is Dumbo, not the Astro Orbiter. So I decide, you know what, we're going to put a Dumbo down here then, and then maybe that will help me remember, because an elephant never forgets, but this girl sure does. So now I'm going to use the rest. Do I use the rest? I think there's still a couple of these little puffy stars left, but I am going to use these stars on this page, a whole lot of them, stars everywhere. And that's still my nod to Tomorrowland, because I thought we were in Tomorrowland riding the rocket ship and not in Dumbo. Yeah. sometimes you just mess things up. So the stars are going to go on there, and I pretty much love them. That big black space right there will have some journaling on it. I just don't feel like journaling right now, you guys. And sometimes when you're scrapbooking and you don't feel like doing the things, sometimes you push through and you do the thing, right? Like sometimes you're just like, I gotta do it. That's all there is to it. And then there are some times where it's just like, nah, I don't want to do the thing, and I'm not going to do the thing. So yeah, going to add on some more puffy stickers. These are from Paper House Productions. Just a couple little ones, and then that is going to do it for this video. There's already a couple people that have done the sketch. I've seen it around the internet, and I've also seen it in the Scrapping Reflections Facebook group. If you do decide to play along and you feel like sharing your work, I'd love it if you join Scrapping Reflections Facebook group and put your photos of your layouts in the album. I love looking at people's layouts, you guys, so much. All right, that is going to do it for this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again real soon for another video.